Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. This episode is going to be part number 3 on how to detail for beginners. In this episode we're going to do a wash, especially on my truck today. This is the first wash on the 2021 Toyota RAV4. There is few ways to do this. In this case I'm going to use my pressure washer. There is another simple and cheaper ways. You can purchase this. It's from Griot. This is to do a wash. Don't require a pressure washer. You just attach the hose, put soap and water into the bucket, and then you can start spraying your car and start washing the car. Another way to do it is, if you don't want to spend $600-700 on a pressure washer, you can get this one, which is a cordless pressure washer. Very small. It has a battery, and this one will do the job as well. Not as powerful as a pressure washer, but this will get the job done as well. And for those two products I have episodes for them, so I'm going to put them right here so you can go and watch those. But in this case we're going to use the pressure washer to do the first wash on the truck, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I have my setup ready. This bucket is designated for wheels, this one to put soap in it, and that one with clean water. Microfiber wash mitt, my snubby. For this case I'm gonna use citrus washing gloves because I know the paint doesn't have any protection, so this is gonna be the first one that I'm gonna use. It's strong but it's gentle with the paint. It's gonna leave a very good shine. Also my foam cannon washer. This is the pressure washer that I have, the Duromax. This is 2700 psi and 2.3 gallon per minute. By doing that, we already reduced a lot of grime and dust and everything was on the paint. We reduced it by 50%. Plus the wheels. If you remember last episode, we treat the wheels with ceramic coat. I don't want to go aggressive and put iron remover on them because they've been treated. So I'm just gonna do the same shampoo that I'm using for the paint. I'm gonna use it on the wheels because I don't want to strip any of the protection with the ceramic coat that those wheels already have. But using the pressure washer, we take a lot of stuff out of the wheels as well. I'm just gonna start with the wheels. That's the first thing that you need to do when you do a wash. Start with the wheels because you start on the bottom, and then if you pressure wash the wheels after you finish, maybe some stuff is gonna go into the paint and then you have to redo the paint. So start with the wheels and then move to the body. Wheels are ready. I'm gonna use the pressure washer now to rinse them. Sometimes you clean the vehicle. I was cleaning the running boards, and this is my first one. When I clean the running boards, then I use this one to give it another pass, and finishing cleaning the running board, this is what I get. Make sure that you have a lot of towels. These ones are kind of like the premium ones. And for the next episode, I'm gonna show you how I clean my towels and what products do I use to wash them and keep them just fluffy and ready to use again. And this is one of the parts, don't forget about it. All the door jambs, all this part, you have to clean it, make sure everything is clean. As you can see, it looks really good, all cleaned up and dry. On these areas you accumulate a lot of dirt, especially right here underneath. Make sure everything is clean and dry. Well guys, I leave you with that. This is the process to do a kind of like a maintenance wash. I take care more of the paint right now because it's brand new, but it's the same process pretty much for every car. I use a lot of towels. I take care of the paint because I try to minimize the scratches. So probably next step is gonna be inspecting the paint, do clay bar, then polish the paint, make sure everything is right. But right now it's a brand new paint. I don't have to worry much about it, but still we gotta do some protection on the paint as well because it's no protection on it. So my next step is gonna be cleaning my bucket. This wash mitt is brand new, so I'm gonna take it straight to the machine to wash it, because after every wash you're supposed to clean all your towels and your wash mitt, whatever you use. Get them ready for the next wash. Okay guys, I leave you with that. This is episode number 3 on how to detail for beginners. I hope you like this little episode and you learn from it. If you have questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.